Hi, I'm attorney Mike Sullivan. I practiced disability law for over 20 years. What follows is a series of scripted, short videos. We cannot be sure what your own hearing will be like, but we took some of the more common elements of a disability hearing and created these videos to illustrate key pitfalls that you might encounter. We're not suggesting your own testimony should literally mimic what you see here. That would probably be a bad idea. Understand, there's a world of difference between coaching and preparing. Most administrative law judges can spot coaching right away. We never advocate the coaching of a witness. Hearings, they're really complex events. They can turn on any number of factors. These videos are meant to raise your understanding as to what goes on, so you have less anxiety and things go really well in front of the judge. So please, talk candidly with your attorney before the hearing. Together, you will prepare your case based on your own unique facts. These videos are specifically reserved for my own current clients and are part of an overall educational process that we use to prepare them for their own hearings. We do not release these videos to non-clients. If you somehow happen to see these videos and are not my client, please work with your own attorney, as this is not a replacement for competent legal representation. Also, we have another video of a mock hearing, which might help you better understand the overall process and help you put it together. We hope you enjoy these video presentations. Many people from all walks of life suffer from some form of mental impairment, whether it's basic depression, anxiety, a bipolar disorder, a dissociative disorder, or basically any valid psychiatric or psychological problem. Many people have physical problems or they're in severe pain, and then they get depressed. What follows here is a typical examination on the merits of this type of case. We pick up just as the attorney is getting ready to ask his questions.
Okay, counselor, go ahead and make out your case.
Very well, sir. Now, Miss Crew, I'm going to ask you some questions about your health problems. I'm going to refer a lot to the record that's in front of me. But primarily, I'm going to be asking about your mental health. Please, when you answer, talk in the direction of the judge at all times. So, first, ma'am, do you have a problem with what your doctors have called bipolar disorder?
Yes.
Ma'am, the idea of bipolar disorder, that's a term. It's just really a label. It's important to your doctors and all, but what I need to know right now are your symptoms. Please tell us how you're doing emotionally.
Where to start? Okay. I'm up and down a lot. How's that?
Not really there. I need more details. What is up? What is down?
I mean, there are more downs than ups. I mean, I just feel blah. I just want to mope all the time, not do anything, and I don't know why. I used to love life, and now I just mostly hate it.
Okay, are there some really down times?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not trying to embarrass you, but that judge, he needs to know what you live with. Do you ever ignore your hygiene for more than a day?
You mean not bathe? Do we really have to talk about this?
Try, please. It's important.
I mean, sure, I go 2 to 3 days at a time, but I don't see the point in bathing. I mean, why bother? I mean, some days I don't eat. I'm not hungry. Some days I eat nonstop. I just don't know. This is crazy. I mean, and I cry too. Sometimes I cry for no reason. Some days I just won't change out of my bedclothes. I mean, why bother? I mean, there's just sad times. I'm sad and I don't know why. I mean, the docs, they give me drugs. Some help. Some make me jittery. Some make me just zone out. I feel like I'm a walking pharmacy.
Okay, all right. Let's change up. Do you ever get highs?
Some days I feel better, yes, but they're few. I mean, some days I feel level, which is in between. I would say I'm about half of the time sad and down, most of the time level. And there's 2 or 3 days out of the month that I really get happy.
Okay. What is really happy?
Well, I mean, I feel good. I don't need sleep. I just feel like I can do a lot of things fast and nonstop. I really do a lot of cleaning for whatever reason, sometimes 2 and 3 days at a time. And then I just kind of burn out. And it's on those days that I spend money that I really don't even have to spend. I mean, it's crazy. Am I crazy?
No, you're not crazy. You have some mental health issues, that's all. Do you tell your doctors these things? I mean, some of these kinds of things are noted in your chart, as I'm looking at, but not everything you have told us here today is in your chart. What can you tell me here today that's not here in your chart?
I tell them most things. I mean, it's embarrassing, so I don't want to be put away somewhere, so I have to keep some things to myself, you know? Is this judge gonna put me somewhere?
No, ma'am, he's not that kind of judge. No worries about that at all, but just a thought. If you tell your doctor more about how you feel, it might help her do a better job finding the best treatment for you. Now think about that for me.
Okay.
Not to embarrass you, but I'm just thinking, with all you've been putting up with, do you ever hear or see things that others do not?
No, God, no. Not yet. My aunt had that problem, and she was a nutcase.
Okay, I'd just like to be sure. It's mostly just a feeling down, out in the blue, and sometimes really happy with some middle-of-the-road dates too.
Pretty much. I mean, I try to take my meds as I should, but if I'm feeling really happy, then all bets are off.
Right, that was charted. And just so I do not get confused, you are down about half the time.
Yes.
And those are the really bad days, the one when you don't bathe, you don't eat, binge. How often do they occur?
Maybe 4 to 5 times a month, you know, maybe more. Really not less. Why?
Well, I'm just trying to get a feeling here about your typical pattern of moods.
I hope you can see here that the attorney was trying to establish that his client was very moody, that she had good days and bad days, but mostly bad days. This means she probably can't maintain a schedule over a work week or a work month, and with all her symptoms as an employee, she's fundamentally unreliable. These kinds of discussions, they're very personal. We have to talk about intimate things. Remember, we don't take this lightly, and we never, ever try to embarrass you. All we really try to do is just let the judge know what it is you live with every day. And just so you know, please, tell your doctor about all your symptoms. It'll probably make for a more beneficial doctor-patient relationship, and it'll actually make it easier for us to prove that you really do have these symptoms. I hope you found these videos helpful as you prepare for your own hearing. A disability hearing is a very important event, and we do not take them lightly. Remember, these are just scripted videos, and they aren't meant to replace a good attorney-client working relationship. They're not legal advice in and of themselves, and they cannot be taken as such. Your own case will have its own unique facts, its own twists and turns, and most importantly, your paperwork and your medicals. An experienced attorney can help you get through the hearing process. Please, work with one. As always, we're here to answer your questions. Let us know how we're doing, and let us know if these videos made a difference for you. I'm Attorney Michael Sullivan. Thank you.